Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got this brand new 2023 model year S21 Coastal Edition that just came in. Nice and clean, finished in black and white. Being a Coastal edition here, you get a lot of upgrades, including stainless on the inside. All of your struts and hatches, all the hinges are all stainless. Plus you get the anodes that are helpful for preventing corrosion. Walking up here inside, the S model gives you a couple features that make it easier for doing things like tubing that maybe the G doesn't have. One of them being a pop-up pylon here in the back. That way you're not towing from the high point and you're also not using the bridle. Great seats on the stern, plenty of cup holders throughout. Easy walkway access so you're not stepping on any cushions. The seat that I did just step on here can be slid forward to give you additional aft seating, so while your riders are back there you can still take a look at them and be part of the whole group. And speaking of people inboard, you've got seating for 14 people on this 21-foot boat, seating everywhere. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other ones you saw in the background, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.